Hey guys, so what we got here is a Coca-Cola ceiling fan in Jeff's bedroom. He's not with me right now, he's doing something. So I'm gonna do this while he's doing what he's doing. So yeah, this light kit has an LED bulb. It used to be a Google smart home light, I'm sure many of you may remember, but it's not anymore. Yeah, so anyways, I'll show you guys the light. Here it is. Doesn't come on right away, but yeah, it does now. It's pretty bright. Let's see. Coca-Cola. And here's low. I think this is the first time I've ever seen a Coca-Cola fan in person. I don't think I've seen any of these in person, as far as I remember. I know somewhere around here, or like somewhere in this area, I mean, not exactly in this area, but there are some Coca-Cola fans in a bar that Jeff saw. He didn't go there, but he saw them on the news about something. I'm not gonna get into it, but you might know what it is. Yeah. And then Brian, fan of fans, saw these at a Dairy Queen. Yeah. But I don't think I've seen any of these in person before. I don't think these are really common in Canada, actually. Yeah, it has a nice low. Turn it on medium. Has a pretty fast medium. I mean, I don't know if it's that fast, but yeah. And here's high. Has a pretty good high. It does wobble a bit. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Guess you can see a bit that it's wobbling. Do an airflow test. It actually blows a good amount of air, I have to say. Here's the light with the fan on. Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking fan, actually, I have to say. If I showed you Coca-Cola right there. Do spin down. Hopefully spin down's not too long on this. I got some other stuff to do after this that I need time to do. I still got another one of my fans to test. Alrighty. Should stop any time now. I could feel it. And then after this we'll do reverse. I already flipped it to reverse. Alright, it's coming to a stop soon. Like now. There we go. So now, time for reverse. Here's high. Oh dear. Actually, reverse seems to blow things around. It's blowing this. It's blowing that. It's blowing that. Alright. We'll head to medium. And here is low. And now here's reverse with the light. And here's off. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.